Hi guys, I'm Miguel Barclay. Welcome to the £1 Meals YouTube channel. Today we're going to be cooking a recipe from book number 2, Fast and Fresh, and it's my £1 vibrant pea soup with a Parmesan coral. First thing we're going to need to do is get a pot of water up to the boil. We're going to go in with a small pinch of salt and then a big handful of peas. So while the peas are cooking, we're going to get on with the Parmesan coral. Now this is just an embellishment, it's something just to add a little bit of fun to the dish, but it's quite simple and looks quite impressive. So first thing you need is some Parmesan and a grater, and we're just going to grate a big pile of Parmesan in the middle of this tray. And now we're just going to pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Right, once the peas are up to the boil, we're going to get our blender out. And we're just going to transfer the peas into the blender. We're also going to need a little bit of the cooking water. So let's go in with a couple of ladlefuls. Then we're going to go in with half a vegetable stock cube and then blend it up. So that's ready to serve. And now for the Parmesan crisp. So what we're looking at here is we just want to just prise it away from the base of the tray. And here we go. Here's our Parmesan crisp. Now it's time to plate up. Grab ourselves a bowl. Going to pour in our soup. Then we're going to go in with a little bit of cracked black pepper and then pop our little Parmesan crisp in the side. And here we go. This is my £1 Meals pea soup with a Parmesan coral. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you want to see more £1 Meals, then follow me on Instagram at £1 Meals or subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys soon.